Okay, so guys, in this video we are going to see what are the 5 HTML tags which we use frequently. This is not the only 5 tags. There's a lot of tags, but this is the 5 tags which we use frequently in the HTML development. Okay, so first one is UL and LI, which is called unordered list. So when you want to have a list in your page, then we can go for the UL list, which is called unordered. There is a similar kind of thing which is called ordered list. So when you want to have a numeric number in the list, then we can go for the OL, which is called ordered list. We will see the demo after this one. Okay, then we will have this anchor tag, which is called for navigation. I think most people know when you want to navigate from one website to another website, or when you one page to another page, then we can go for this anchor tag. Image means to show the image in the web page, then we can go for this image tag. Then we have a div and section, div comma section. These both are different tags. Okay, div comma section to separate the section in the page. So when you want to have a second section like this is kind of each section you want to have in your web page means, then we can go for the div section. So input tag, from the name itself we will understand when we want to get the input from the users, then we can go for the input tag. Okay, so now I will show you the example here. First one is UL tag. So you can see here UL is nothing but unordered list. So here we are having a UL, inside that the children is LI. Okay, then OL, so order list. So here we will have a LI. Okay, so both will show the list of the output. So and the next one we have the anchor tag. So in the anchor tag it is must that we should provide the attribute called href, which is called it can be any URL. So by clicking the text it will navigate to this URL. Okay, next we are having an image tag. So in the image tag we should have this src, and inside the src we should mention any image name. Okay, then only it will load the image. If you didn't provide the image, it will not show anything here. Okay, so next one is I am having a div, and then inside the div I am having a two children called section. So just to segregate, but this is not the actual use case, that will be different, but just for the example I'm just using here. Okay, but actually what it will do, it can hold other tags to load in the web page actually. Okay, so div is opening here and close here. It has the two children called section. Okay, then the last is input tag. So input is specifically for to get the input from user. So input has a lot of variations like text, password, radio, checkbox, button, like that. So the same input tag, by providing the different attributes, it works in a different way. Okay, so now let's see the output, how it looks actually. So I am just opening the file directly in the browser. So as I can see here, this is output for the HTML which we have written. Okay, so now I will split the window for your understanding. So as you can see here, okay, as you can see here, I am having a UL tag, so which first, second, third is the rendered from the UL. Okay, next I am having a OL, so which is nothing but order list. If you see here, I didn't provide any 1, 2, 3 or any bulleting points, but automatically this will be rendered by the browser because of the this points, which is called this OL and L and UL. Okay, so next I am having an anchor tag. This anchor tag is nothing but this one. So whenever I am clicking this link, it automatically navigates to the Google website, as you can see here. Okay, so next one is I am using an image tag to show the image. So you may have a doubt like why it is next to each other, because of inline element, that maybe we will see later videos. Inline element means it will not have the width for the content. So whatever the content it has, it just align within itself. Right, next one we are having a div actually. So because of this one I am having a two different output. Then we are having input text password. So which means text means this is the text, password means we cannot see, radio button, checkbox, and then button. Okay, these are the major tags which we use frequently in the HTML. Okay.
Okay guys, so if you have any questions or any queries related with programming, post in the comments, we will help you. Thank you.